Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the mask modifier. So I first check my cube and then click on add modifier, generate, and the mask modifier. So by default it checks make everything invisible, but we can still select our view from this side menu. I'll tap into edit mode and right click and subdivide it twice. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. Select maybe these faces and maybe these faces. Go into this group tab, okay, this data tab, and click on to add a vertex group, and then with the weight value set to 1, I'll click on assign. And now now if I go into the vertex group tab and add that group, those two places where I had the vertex group are now visible and everything else is invisible. I can click on over here to make it flipped. Basically the places where I didn't have the vertex group are now visible, and the other places are invisible. You can click on this smooth option, as you can see over here, and now it can actually extend or shrink depending upon where you want it to be. It's pretty neat, simple. I haven't much used it myself. You can also use the armature option as well, where basically once you add the armature, you can actually use its weight groups to see which part is visible or invisible. But again, like I said, it's pretty neat. You probably won't be using it that much. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.